Why are Iranian missile launchers reportedly on the move in Fars, Hormozgan, Ilam, and Kermanshah provinces? According to multiple regional security reports and satellite imagery analysis from early January 2026, Iran's Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps (IRGC) has been conducting unusual transporter erector launcher (TEL) movements across these four strategically vital provinces. The activity coincides with President Trump's threat of military intervention in Iran and Israel's preparation for potential strikes on Iranian nuclear facilities. Four provinces, four strategic purposes. Fars Province, Shiraz, home to Iran's primary nuclear research facility. TEL movements here likely involve Shahab-3 and Sejil ballistic missile batteries being repositioned to dispersed, hardened shelters to survive a first strike. According to ISW, Iran moved trucks carrying surface-to-air missile launchers from western Iran toward Tehran on June 16, 2025. This pattern appears to be repeating. Hormozgan Province, Bandar Abbas, controls the Strait of Hormuz, through which 20% of global oil passes. Launcher movements here include anti-ship missiles, Khalij Fars, and coastal defense batteries positioned to threaten U.S. naval assets and commercial tankers if conflict erupts. As previously reported, launcher-equipped speedboats moving at 60 knots were observed in Hormozgan during 2014 military exercises, showing this is a long-standing defensive posture now intensified. Ilam Province, bordering Iraq. This region hosts Iran's primary ballistic missile storage depots and launch sites targeting Israel. Movements here likely involve Zelzal and Fateh 110 short-range missiles being repositioned to avoid detection by Israeli-US surveillance. Kermanshah Province, critical for Iran's northwestern defenses and home to underground missile factories. TEL activity here suggests dispersal of Scud variant missiles capable of hitting US bases in Iraq and Kuwait. The timing reveals Iran's defensive calculus. These movements began after Israeli Prime Minister Netanyahu ordered new plans to attack Iran's nuclear program and after Trump threatened to hit Iran very hard if protests are violently suppressed. The ISW reported on January 9th that Iranian forces fired against protesters in at least 4 towns, even as they repositioned military assets, suggesting parallel preparation for both internal unrest and external attack. The strategic dilemma, move or be destroyed. Iran learned from the June 2025 war with Israel that static positions get eliminated. Israeli and US strikes destroyed fixed missile sites in Kermanshah, Hamadan, and Tehran provinces. Now Iran is applying shoot and scoot tactics, moving launchers frequently to avoid targeting. However, this constant relocation strains logistics and increases the risk of accidents or detection. The core question is whether these movements signal imminent war or desperate deterrence. Israeli intelligence sources tell Newsweek that Iran is preparing its missile forces for a potential preemptive strike scenario. But Tehran knows that repositioning launchers could also be interpreted as preparing to attack, creating a dangerous use it or lose it pressure. As one regional analyst warned, every launcher that moves is a potential spark for escalation. What do you think? Should Iran's launcher movements be treated as legitimate defensive preparation? Or is this just proof that Iran is preparing to strike first? Drop your thoughts below.